Hi, good afternoon. Today we're cooking squash curry with chicken. One tomato, half an onion, 5 cloves of garlic, half a pepper, and a chicken cube. Green seasoning, a teaspoon of green seasoning, scallion, curry powder, 2 teaspoons, guys, half a teaspoon, salt, half a teaspoon, geera, half a teaspoon, masala, teaspoon. We're throwing the chicken, let it cook. This is 1 pack of chicken. Chicken with thigh with knife. Cut up. I'm gonna let it cook and I'll come back and show you, okay? I'm gonna add the squash, I'm gonna come back and show you. I'm gonna let this cook a little bit and I'm gonna come back and show you. Now I'm gonna add, this was cooking for good 10 minutes. This is the chicken. We're cooking squash curry with chicken. And I have this chicken was cooking for good 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna throw the squash in. This is the squash we cut up. There's two small squash. I'm gonna throw it in. Alright guys, now we're gonna cook this with it. We have the chicken loses its own water. I'm gonna let this cook with it and cover it on and let it cook. I'm gonna turn it on and let it simmer. If you need water, you can always add hot water. Please do not add cold water. Hot water, okay? And if you need to add the salt, if you need to taste, add a little more salt. I think I put the chicken base chicken cube inside, have salt inside. That's why I didn't put too much salt. I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna cover it on. I'm gonna let it cook, alright? It's gonna take 20-25 minutes. I'll come back and show you guys the rest. This is halfway. See? Loses its own water. I didn't have to add my water. They cook. It's melting. The squash is melting. Get soft. I have the rice on. I gotta make some roti later. They're cooking by itself there. Alright guys. This is chicken with squash. This is finished. Guys, look at it. Give you a close look. It's hot, it's smoking. With chicken squash curry. Alright. Squash curry, guys. Finish. This with the rice. Gonna make some roti later. Squash curry with chicken. finished. Thank you guys. All right, for watching. Guys, have a good night. Thank you.